Nasreddin gid to a mosque, like he did elkie Friday. And when the prayers were done, he come out and started looking for his sheen. Well, he searched up and down a shelf and up and down it other, and he couldn't find his sheen anyway. So he started hollering out to himself, "Far's my sheen? Far's teen my sheen? This is nae sava, this. If I canna get my sheen, I'll hae to deef my feather did." Well, folk were paying attention to this ill-nettered man, and they started to wonder fit on earth hisn't feather hid deen. Nobody wanted to find out, so they decided to send a wee loon down to the market to buy a new pair of sheen for Nasreddin. Well, when the loon come back with his bonny slippers and they handed it over to Nasreddin, he was fair tricked. He says, "Oh, thank you very much," and he put on this new sheen and he started walking away home. But the folk said, "Nasreddin, what did your feather do when he couldn't find his sheen?" And Nasreddin said, "Well, he had to walk home in stock and soles, didn't he?"